I've been doing sports since I was 5. I started with track. I have 3 siblings, so all my siblings were first doing track. It was my brothers, and then my dad was like, oh, might as well get the girls in. I started throwing in middle school. It wasn't as serious, but I really liked it because I was already pretty strong from track. So it just kind of came natural, but as I've gotten to high school, I've gotten more serious and started training more. And I don't know, I'm trying to go somewhere with it. A lot of people see throwing and they're like, oh, that's probably easy, you're just throwing a ball, but it is not as easy as it may look. I do a spin when I throw, you spin in a circle and then throw it. People think it's cool looking. I really like it, but it's actually more difficult than you may think because right now what I'm working on is speeding up my spin so that when I throw it can have more velocity or whatever. A lot of people, when they look at shot put, because you're throwing with your arms, they're like, oh, you're just throwing with your arms, but actually most of your power comes from your legs. And that's it's basically how good you throw is how good you can transfer your energy from your legs all the way up to your arm to push it out. Athletics is good, but that's something I want to use to get me into college for my academics. I feel like some people think sports is sports only, blah, 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 but I'm just using my sport to get me to the academic side of it. Grades are extremely important to me and my family. It's grades before athletics. You're a student athlete first is what my dad always says. He's like, you're a student athlete first. So you always have to make sure your grades are up before you can go. Most colleges don't want just athletes. They want you to be more well-rounded and have good grades as well. So right now I'm in the magnet program ExCEL, and they push career-oriented experiences basically. So with ExCEL, we actually had to shadow 2 jobs a year based on your grade. But that's what actually helped me narrow down what type of career I wanted to do. I haven't pinpointed my major yet, but I'm looking at either health sciences or biology because I want to go into the medical field. Probably something in pediatrics because I really love children. I think that would just be really fun. I feel like I don't have balance if I'm not doing a lot of things because I grew up doing track, basketball, volleyball, school. So I use my calendar, write down stuff. It's just really just staying organized and everything helps a lot.
Good morning, school board members and Dr. Greco. My name is Leah Brown, and I'm honored to represent the magnet programs at Largo High School. We have 2 magnet programs within our school, ExCEL and the IB.
When we went to our first meeting, I thought that was really cool how the school board was actually reaching out and wanting to know what the students wanted to know about certain things. I honestly think it's good if they're taking what we're presenting to them and actually thinking about it. I've been a part of the Packer family for as long as I can remember, so it's just, I wouldn't want to go anywhere else really.